Once in a blue moon. My sister bakes cookies once in a blue moon. When pigs fly. They will fix the road when pigs fly. Costs an arm and a leg. His new smartphone costs an arm and a leg. Add fuel to the fire. Ignoring the problem will add fuel to the fire. Give someone a hand. Can you give me a hand carrying these groceries? Head over heels. I am head over heels for Ollie. Not my cup of tea. Running marathons is not my cup of tea. Out of the woods. After a tough month, she's finally out of the woods. Speak your mind. I encourage you to speak your mind during the meeting. Shake a leg. We need to shake a leg if we want to catch the train. Walk on air. They were walking on air when they heard the good news.
Thanks for watching.